Tools forever, where innovation meets experience. A new solution for a new era. With over 2 decades of experience in identity management, we've continuously evolved, integrating modern features inspired by feedback from you, our valued customers. Starting with UMRA in 2003 and followed by IAM in 2016, we pushed the boundaries of identity management further with the release of NIM in 2022. NIM is designed to excel in complex multi-system environments with enhanced data visibility and accuracy. NIM sets a new standard through centralization, ensuring all identity management data is securely housed in one place. This streamlines managing user lifecycles, reduces manual errors, and boosts operational efficiency. So, why choose NIM for your identity management needs? Let's dive into the key benefits that makes NIM the superior choice. With NIM's optimized provisioning engine, user lifecycle management takes minutes instead of days, no matter the number of users or systems. Easily configure lifecycle processes to automate user provisioning directly to a target system. Create thousands of business roles in minutes using NIM's easy-to-use role mining feature. Perform detailed analysis of users, groups, and roles across your systems with a single click. NIM's onboarding process offers new users a seamless and secure way to claim their accounts. After successful verification, users receive their username and can set a new password, ensuring a smooth and secure account claiming experience. NIM collects all data asynchronously, loading it into memory for easy access and increased performance. Historical collection data is readily available for delta comparisons, allowing for simple rollbacks if needed. With NIM's advanced scheduling, you can control when data is collected at an individual system level. Focus on systems with frequent data updates to reduce time between data collections. NIM's unique multi-source and target data aggregation feature allows data from multiple systems to be viewed and utilized for provisioning, rostering, and basic exports. Advanced filtering combines data from various systems for custom exports to third-party systems. Audits are simplified with NIM's enforcement reports and detailed evaluation feature, allowing for real-time impact analysis before committing any user provisioning action. Custom-designed help desk and organization apps tailored to your needs using NIM data. Apps are the perfect way to delegate responsibilities securely with auditing and streamlined functionality. NIM's self-service password reset feature empowers users to securely reset their passwords across multiple systems once their identity is verified. This streamlined process enhances user security, making password management hassle-free and efficient. Upgrading system connectors is simplified with NIM. The Upgrade button downloads the newest connectors from NIM's GitHub repository, ensuring you always have access to the most current and secure connectors. Benefit from our professional documentation, how-to videos, and experienced support teams. Our resources are constantly updated to ensure you have everything you need. Boost your security and compliance with NIM's role-based access controls, configurable authentication policies, and audit trails. Experience the future of identity management with NIM from Tools Forever. Contact us for more information. Tools Forever, innovating identity management for over 2 decades.